The wedding planning is starting. So, Austin and I, we're getting married. Yay! And we're preparing to, excuse my closet, but we're preparing to go venue shopping. We're getting married in Toronto, Canada. This will be my first time. Austin is from Canada, so he gets to show me around his neighborhood, where he grew up. So I'm in my closet trying to get it together, guys. Get those outfits together. You know, being in Texas, we get cold weather here and there. So I'm super excited because I'm from Detroit and I get to bring out the boots, the coats, you know, the purses, like just, you know, the whole accessory combination. So I'm super excited about that. I pulled all types of stuff out of my closet and I really need to put everything back on the hanger. And so I'm getting my fits together. I'm just trying to like figure out what are the girlies wearing this winter, because I am all out. I don't have, like, I have boots from from back home. You know, I will always prepare, so when I travel back home I have my boots, I have my coats, but I don't go home. I probably go home like once out of the year, so it doesn't require. I like that. So we're sitting here trying to get our fits together, and so I'm trying to, you know, I've always tried to prepare myself so when I go back home, and I'm just like out of touch with what to wear, because I mean, I have some winter outfits, but then my shoes, I have some boots, but most of my shoes have the toes out, and I'm like, look, they just gonna have to accept how I'm coming, because honey, I don't have boots for every day, or the outfits that I don't have the boots. So, but anyway, let's talk about how we're preparing ourselves. This is day one of us getting ready to go and shop venues. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I've already scheduled like 5 venues. Have them on the schedule. We're gonna stop by and see which venue we're gonna pick, because this is gonna be exciting. It's exciting and stressful at the same time. I don't even know why I'm stressed already, and I think it's because I hadn't prepared myself for wedding. You know, I'm such a simple girl, and when it comes down to colors and cake and what do you want to feed our family and friends, like, it's just, I mean, Jesus, it's a lot. However, we're gonna get to that. You guys gonna come along with me. So this is the wedding edition with Austin and Sasha. So, and I'm gonna also show you guys some of my looks. So, you know, when I thought about, y'all still shop at Forever 21? This is not a paid this is not a paid sponsorship by Forever 21, but I was in the mall and I was, you know, going by and decided that I'll stop at Forever 21. I seen some stuff in their window and I'm like, okay, I see like winter vibe, cute, natural, you know, colors. So the first thing I did get was this cute little jogging suit. Thought it was really cute, simple, natural, right? Had the pants to match. And then, y'all, I'm such a Yeezy girl when it comes down to... What are you doing? I'm such a Yeezy girl when it comes down to gym shoes. And but I was like, I seen everyone kind of rocking a New Balance, and I said, well, let me get me some. So this is gonna be a cute fit, right? And then I seen you girls, the girlies are wearing the socks with the... Babe, can you give me... I got these from Amazon. Can you give me a scissors, knife? I have some scissors in the bathroom. So we're gonna see what pair of socks to wear with it. But I thought this fit was super cute. These shoes look super huge. I tried them on, right? Without socks, because I don't like wearing socks in my gym shoes. But it's gonna be the winter time. And this is what he brings me. Oops, I'm good. So, I don't think any of these socks will go. Maybe this one. But, so, I don't wear socks with my shoes. I rarely wear gym shoes. I have a lot of gym shoes. I have a lot of shoes, but such a, like I said, I'm in Texas. I'll throw on some flip-flops and I'll be good. But so I went to prepare myself to go and take the shoes back because I felt like they were too big. And then they gave me a sock to try on with the shoe, and the shoe fits perfectly. So I just have to always wear socks if I want to wear these shoes. And plus they didn't have a smaller size either. And I'm technically like a 9.5, but these shoes, which is a 9.5, but I felt like I needed a 9. Then I tried on a 9 at the store, and it didn't fit. So these socks, y'all think these socks will go? Babe, you think these socks will go with the outfit?
You gonna show the socks?
The socks will show because the jogging suit is scrunchy at the bottom. Yeah. He don't get it. He don't get it, girls. Like you're supposed to scrunch the socks up, you know.
Oh, that you're talking about like them jazz socks or like them, you know what I'm talking about them?
Yeah. Mhm.
There she go.
Similar to warmers.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Why you be playing with me like that? So that'll go back. I'm gonna bring them just in case, and then I'm gonna bring some extra ankle socks. So far we have 2 outfits. So, and we were trying to think, like, when we go to these venues, do you dress casual? Do you just dress in or whatever you put on for the day? Or, you know, do you put on your Sunday's best? But me personally, I think we should go comfortable but cute, right? Comfortable but cute. So now I need to, so I have like a going out outfit. Oh, and then it's Valentine's Day, right? When is that? Is that on Wednesday? Oh yeah, that's Wednesday. What do you mean he thinks so? He better be taking me on a date. You better bring me some roses or something. He thinks so. Anyway, we'll see. So I need an outfit for dinner, right? Like for Wednesday. Okay, so so yeah, let's talk about how I'm feeling about this wedding. You know, I was caught off guard even with the proposal, and then had to wrap my head around planning a wedding. soon, the day we got Austin proposed, everybody was calling like, so when is the wedding day? When is the wedding day? I'm like, what? I just got proposed to. I don't know. I haven't even been planning this date. And I'm guessing, you know, most people, and I guess that's part of manifesting and making it happen, is you have to put it on paper, you know, write it down. So on my vision board, I did have my rings on there that, you know, every year I put, for like 2 years, I think, I put on my vision board that we were going to get married. And so it happened. So I did it, but I didn't plan a date. So we finally sat down and planned a date. So we have our date, which is, I'm not going to tell y'all until, let me book the venue first. I have a set date. This is the date that we really, really want. And I'm not open to changing it. So, and I just washed my hair, y'all. So, I gotta get this together. So, to my understanding, once we get off the plane, we have to go. We're going to visit Austin's family, so I'm super excited to see his family, meet his family that lives in Canada. I have not picked colors, you know, we're leaning something towards white, blue, gold, and something, I don't know, like, just want like all white wedding. I think that's cute. So we'll see. So I am going to walk you guys through the whole thing. I am going to show you guys this whole airport situation, this going through the airport, arriving in Canada, and just getting the feel of what Canada is. And I keep looking around and thinking, like, what else can I put in my bag? What time is it? Oh my God, it's 10:23. We have to be up. We gotta be out of here like 4 in the morning. So, yeah. Let me finish getting ready, because I have to not only pack, but at least hang up some of these clothes. These clothes is just ridiculous. But stay tuned. Go to the next video. Watch the next video. The next video is going to be day 1, airport day, arriving into Canada, visiting family. And this is going to be a whole vibe.